Still clinging to reliable old software? Let's get Peachtree 2010 up and running on your Windows 7 machine. First, insert your Peachtree 2010 installation CD if your Windows 7 computer doesn't have a CD drive. You'll need an external one. The setup should auto-run. If not, navigate to the CD drive and double-click the setup or install executable. The Peachtree 2010 installation wizard will appear. Just click Next to proceed with the installations. Compatibility is key. If you encounter issues, right-click on the setup file before running, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program in compatibility mode for and choose Windows XP Service Pack 3 from the list. This should solve any issues related to compatibility. After setting compatibility, accept the license agreement and click Next. Enter your company name, serial number, and other required details. This information is usually found on your Peachtree CD case or documentation. Click Next. Choose the installation type. Typical is fine for most users. Alternatively, select Custom if you want to choose specific components. Click Next to proceed with the installation. Let the installation complete. This may take a few moments. Once finished, you may be prompted to restart your computer. Do so to finalize the installation. Find the Peachtree icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Double-click and launch the program and you're ready to use Peachtree 2010 on Windows 7. If you face any errors, ensure your system meets the minimum requirements and try reinstalling that completes this installation.